Hey, Kyle here at Maple Systems. Today, I'm going to be showing one of our smallest, cost-effective 4.3-inch standard HMIs. It's the HMI5040Bv2. Let's take a look. Okay, this is what it looks like when you first open the box. You will see the warranty as well as the installation guide. And then you'll see the HMI5040Bv2, and it's wrapped in anti-static. Also, within the box, there is accessories, and those are mounting brackets and screws for panel mounting. Now I'm going to remove the HMI from the anti-static plastic. Here is the HMI5040Bv2. It's a 4.3-inch resistive touchscreen HMI. Supports over 400 Ethernet and serial protocols. It has a dual-core RISC CPU, so it has 2 cores for improved processing, so it's more efficient. And then it has an operating temperature of 0 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius, or 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. On the bottom, there is a detachable green power connector, which is for a 24-volt DC power supply. Then there is one DE9 serial COM port, which is used for various serial protocols. Next to that is a USB 2.0 host port, which is used for uploading, downloading, also used for extended memory, so it's used for backing up your files. And there is one RJ45 Ethernet LAN port, which is used for uploading, downloading, going online with your HMI, and also used for various Ethernet protocols. As you can see here, the HMI5040Bv2 is one of our smaller standard HMIs. Now I'm going to power on the HMI. So I have a power supply right here going into the HMI, and then I also have an Ethernet cable going into the LAN port, because a little later on I'm going to download a project from EBPro onto the HMI. So I'm going to turn on the power supply, and it's going to boot up. And you'll see the demo project load onto the HMI. Now, the demo project you are seeing here does not come with the HMI. You will need to download this sample project from the Maple Systems website, and I will show you how to navigate to that later on. So now I'm showing you the demo project through VNC, so I'm remoting into the HMI, and I'm going to show you some of the features in the demo project, and then I'll also go through the system settings on the HMI. So I'm going to use my mouse in VNC. So I'm going to click bit lamp toggle switch, and here you can see a toggle switch turns a bit lamp on and off. You can also see in the bottom right corner the camera feed of the actual HMI. Tank level bar chart, you can see a simulated tank level here. Home, data sampling, trending. You can see a simulated trend display as well as a history data display. Let's go home, and then I'll just show you one more. I'll show you scaling raw inputs. You can see a raw input and scaled input here. So now I'm going to show you how you would access your system settings. So I'm going to use a stylus and show you on the resistive touchscreen on the HMI. In the bottom right corner of the HMI, there is an arrow. So you would click this, and it opens up a menu, and then you click the gear icon. And now you need to enter an admin password to access your system settings. And by default, that's 6 ones, so 111, click OK. And now you can access your system settings. I'm gonna go back to VNC and use my mouse. So right here are the network settings. You can set your IP address, click next, time and date. Here you can have security settings. Here's a history tab, so you can clear recipe, clear event log, clear data log. You can change your HMI name, upgrade OS, so you can do an OS upgrade here. And here's where you would enable VNC. You would click start VNC single connection or multi-connection, depending what you want to do. And then you'll need to enter a password for VNC, which by default is the same as your admin password, which is 6 ones. Next, you can adjust the brightness on your HMI. So you can look in the bottom right corner of the camera feed, you can see the HMI getting dim, and then we'll make it bright again. Click next. Here you can enable a keyboard beep sound. You can turn that on and off. You can hide the mouse cursor if you like. Easy Access 2.0, you need a separate license for. And then you can also change the language. So those are all the system settings in your HMI. Now, what I want to do is download a project from EBPro onto the HMI. So let's go into EBPro. To find this sample project on the Maple Systems website, you're going to go to the website, and then you will click support, and then sample projects, and it's going to be the first one right here. You'll just download this, and then you'll be able to open it in EBPro and then download to your HMI. In EBPro, I first want to show you the 400 plus Ethernet and serial protocols that you can add to your project. So to find those, go to the Home tab, System Parameters, New Device/Server, click Device Type, and then here you can see all of those protocols. Each of the names here you can click, and then it opens up protocols here. You can also just click this and then drop down arrow, and here are all those protocols, and you can add it to your project. Now I'm going to download this project to the HMI, and to do that, go to Project, Download, make sure you have the correct IP address here, and then check off Runtime, click Download. It'll take some time for the project to download to the HMI. Look in the bottom right corner. Just say initializing, downloading, download files. It'll say scan font finish, reboot HMI, all finished. And then it will load the project onto the HMI. Well, that's all for today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our standard HMI line, you can always visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Also, be sure to watch the EBPro video training series located under the Support tab in the Video Center on the Maple Systems website. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.